Dear sir, wish you a very happy 72nd birthday. At 72, you still have the same zeal and passion as you did when you were 40. You have always been a great source of inspiration to us, and we are proud to have you as our CEO. The last 30 plus years that I have worked with you have been most enjoyable and rewarding learning experience. Your technical knowledge, passion, and business acumen have been second to none. Sir, I wish you good health, happiness, and success, and look forward to many years of association. All the best to you for many more years.
Baba Sahab, wish you a very happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. Over the last 44 years that I have worked with you, your energy levels and passion for work remain unchanged. May God give you many more years of healthy life so that you can lead and inspire us.
I have been fortunate to work with Mr. Baba Kalyani, where we are inspired by his passion towards hard work. May God bless him with good health and prosperous new year. Happy birthday, Baba sir.
Happy birthday, dear sir. Thank you for this privilege and honor to wish you. You are a true visionary. Time after time, you have imagined the future, you have acted on it, you have forged it, and you have shared the success with the world, our nation, and above all of us in Bharat Forge. Thank you for everything. Have a great day.
Good morning, sir, and wish you a very happy birthday. And may you have a fantastic day and a wonderful year ahead. And we are indeed blessed to have a chairman who's so inspiring, dedicated and passionate like you. And I wish and pray that all your dreams and Bharat Forge's dreams come true in the year ahead. And may this be a fantastic year for us all. Wish you once again a very happy birthday and a great year ahead. Thank you.
This short video perhaps best reflects the feelings my division holds for our esteemed chairman, Mr. Baba Kalyani. In the long span of over a decade, having worked with him, I have realized there are two unique qualities which have probably brought about great professional success for him and for the enterprise he has built. These two qualities, perhaps the first one is passion for technology, and technology that is best in world. And second, I would say, is eye for detail. And this eye for detail does not just rest at detail, it also moves on to the resources and the people who are working with him. He can spot talent, he can cultivate talent, and he can retain talent. I think these are the two outstanding qualities of a very great leader. On your 72nd birthday, sir, here is wishing you good tidings, fair winds, great health, and a very smooth journey in the year to come by. Wishing you once again on your birthday.
I have been working with our beloved chairman for last 38 years. Sir, you are a fantastic example of wisdom, leadership, and foresight. On your birthday, I wish you good health and happiness. You are the best mentor anyone could have ever asked for. Happy birthday to a truly inspirational leader, and a big thanks to you, sir, for always bringing out the best in us. Thank you, good luck, and all the best.
Sir, you always have been an inspiration to us. It is our pride and pleasure to work with leaders like you. We wish you a very happy birthday and hope that you have wonderful, healthy and blessed life ahead. Lots of love and prayers for you from all of us.
Respected sir, I consider it the most fortunate opportunity and an honor to get to work directly with you and under your guidance. Particularly when I look back at the last 9 months, I could closely experience and observe your passion, your inspiring leadership, perseverance, and the belief. All of this amidst some of the most unprecedented and challenging times. This, I know, is a hallmark of a man of steel and a true visionary. On this very special day, I sincerely wish you my warmest birthday greetings. Happy birthday, sir. And sir, please keep inspiring. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Baba Saheb. I wish you happiness, good health, and success. I have had the good fortune of working with you for the last 44 years. I joined Bharat Forge in 1976, and there are many memorable instances which have left a lasting impression on me of my association with you. The company has grown since the time I joined under your dynamic leadership. You are a perfectionist, and it has been a challenge for me to keep up to your expectations even at the age of 72. But I have loved every challenge. It has been, sir, it has been nice working with you. I have enjoyed every moment, every day. I have learnt a lot, okay, and I'm still learning. I once again wish you all the very best in life. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, dear sir. I'm fortunate to get an opportunity to work with you and seek your guidance for corporate social responsibility program. Not only you are a good technocrat, very able leader, great visionary industrialist, but above all, the accomplished, empathetic, compassionate human being who can mix up with the villagers, children and the needy effortlessly. For CSR, you have set up the vision of developing 100 villages from 5 districts of Maharashtra on 5 indicators: water, internal roads, livelihood, health and education. Your commitment is such that in the month of March, in scorching heat, you have visited 5-6 villages to see the projects completed by Bharat Forge and to meet the villagers. Around 500 farmers, they were waiting for you at that time. You are very keen to understand and approve various projects related to women development and empowerment. You sincerely felt only the knowledgeable organization will thrive in the keen competition and have encouraged the employees for further learning by starting several learning initiatives in the company. You have made it a point to be present for the convocation ceremonies of these learning initiatives and had always appreciated successful employees and their families. I wish you a long life, healthy life, and abundant energy to achieve the goals that you have set. Happy birthday, sir.
Wishing you a very happy birthday. It has been an honor working with you. The last few months have been greatly inspiring. Thank you very much for the opportunity and wish you the best of health.
Dear sir, on this special occasion of your birthday, I would like to wish you a healthy and fulfilling life. I would also like to say that you have been and will continue a visionary and a father figure to me. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to be part of your extraordinary endeavor. Your passion, childlike enthusiasm, as well as your powerful business acumen never fails to inspire me and everyone whom you have taken under your wings. A very happy birthday to a man I always look up to and indebted to. Thank you, sir. Happy birthday once again.
Sir, good morning. Wish you a very happy birthday. Even before joining Bharat Forge, I have heard a lot of stories about your inspirational and visionary work from my father during his stint as IIM Indore director. One of the perks of Bharat Forge over the past 15 years for me has been to see the same in action and also a lot of learnings along the way. look forward to learn a lot more from you and wishing you a very happy 2021 and a healthy life ahead. Thank you.
Sir, happy birthday to you. May you be blessed with good health and happy life. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Today is your birthday. A great day not only for you but for all of us. Birthday brings different things in everybody's life. Sir, I have had privilege to work with you under your leadership for last about 20 years time. The visionary leadership what I have experienced is truly unparalleled. We all working in Bharat Forge are fortunate enough to work with you for last many years. Sir, the business leadership as a chief executive what you have given to Bharat Forge and Kalyani Group, not only on international level, but then at every aspects of society. Sir, you are not only businessman, but you are societal person, you are excellent human being, you are leader, and then you have made a life of all of us there. Sir, thank you very much. Take care of your health. All the best and God bless you.
Today is our chairman's 72nd birthday and happy birthday, sir. Wish you a very long, healthy and safe life ahead.
Respected Chairman, would like to take this moment to wish you a very happy birthday. May God fulfill all your dreams and vision towards growth of organization and betterment of the society, and give us strength to be part of this mission. Sir, last year was a very challenging year for all of us, and you have guided us as always during this period. Thank you for this support, sir. Once again, wish you a very healthy and joyful year ahead from Team MC22.
Sir, wishing you a very happy birthday and many more to come. On your birthday, we wish you peace, good health and happiness. You are a fantastic example of wisdom, leadership and foresight. You are best mentor anybody could have asked for. Once again, thanking you for continuing to inspire us and guide us through these difficult times.
मी भारत फौज कामगार संघाचा अध्यक्ष आणि MCD विभागामध्ये 30 वर्ष या डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये मी काम करतोय. आज या मंगलमय दिनी मी सर्वप्रथम आमच्या सर्व कामगार वर्गातर्फे सर्व अधिकाऱ्यांवर त्यांना आमच्या परिवारातर्फे साहेबांना शुभेच्छा देतो. साहेबांचं नेतृत्व लाभलं आणि साहेबांच्या नेतृत्वाखाली आम्हाला या ठिकाणी काम करायला लागतं. त्याचा आम्हाला खूप मोठा अभिमान आहे. कारण उद्योगधंद्याशी येणाऱ्या ज्या काही आव्हानं असतात उद्योगधंद्यामध्ये आणि उद्योगधंद्यामध्ये येणाऱ्या आव्हानाला त्यांच्या ज्या टेक्नॉलॉजीनी त्यांच्या ज्या अभ्यासपूर्व नियोजनाने आम्ही आज या ठिकाणी मात करत भारत फौज हे आपले उच्च शिखरावर या ठिकाणी पोहोचण्यात साहेबांचं अतिशय मेहनत ही खरोखर या ठिकाणी वाखाणण्याजोगी आहे. आणि आम्ही या ठिकाणी खरोखरच सर्व कामगार अभिमानाने सांगतो की आम्ही नशिबान आहोत की या ठिकाणी आम्हाला काम करायला मिळतंय. त्याचबरोबर येणारी आव्हानं असतील, त्याचबरोबर 4.0 टेक्नॉलॉजीमध्ये जे काय आपल्या भारत फौजमध्ये आपण पुढे चाललेलो आहोत यामध्ये साहेबांचा खूप मोठा वाटा आहे. साहेबांनी हे टेक्नॉलॉजी शेवटच्या घटकापर्यंत कशी पोहोचेल त्याच्यासाठी वेळोवेळी मार्गदर्शन केलं, वेळोवेळी ट्रेनिंग दिलं. हे खरोखर कुठेही होत नाही, हे आमच्याकडे होतं.